Hello, good morning. I'm Joseph George. Thank you. You're welcome to my channel. I show you a beautiful scenery. This is Kerala, India. It's a Idukki district of Kerala. It's a very blessed with the natural beauty. Very nice place. Many of you, or some of you, know about me and my work. I am developing a new physics which may provide new explanation, new alternative explanation for many important phenomena in physics. So I am an independent researcher. I have I think that there is a issue with the current understanding of the universe. In fact, based on my studies, there's a mass and energy which makes the universe. According to my studies, there is serious issues with our current understanding of what is how mass and energy are related or interconnected. So according to my studies, mass and energy are entirely two different entities. That is, it differs from Einstein's mass energy equivalence principle. In fact, there is a alternative explanation for how nuclear energy is released with a mass defect. So many of you may know about my work and my theories, but I use this time to explain my theory to people who are new to my channel and new to this way of thinking. In fact, based on my research, every mass defect in the universe are explosively transformed into another form of matter. This has a huge significance in the understanding of the universe. If mass defect is transformed into another form of matter, since mass defect is a universally occurring phenomenon, space itself is filled with this type of matter. And if space is filled with the type of matter, then it is reasonable to think that the space inside an atom also must be filled with this type of matter. So it leads us to reconsider about the modern view of the atomic structure, and also the propagation of light through space also will be influenced by the space filling matter. If space is filled with a type of matter, then the propagation of light also will be influenced or impacted by the presence of this space filling matter. That can explain, it can give a different explanation for starlight bending, gravitational lensing, precession of the perihelion of Mercury's orbit, etc. So it can provide an alternative explanation with this space filling matter. Once you add the space filling matter or space filling substance into the picture, we will get a novel insight, novel explanation for many phenomena. Today we look through the lens of the special and general theory of relativity and also quantum mechanics, the wave-like behavior of matter or matter wave particle wave duality of matter, and gravity, the propagation of gravity. What is gravity? How the gravity and other form of forces are propagating through space. I believe that electric field lines, magnetic field lines, etc. are formed by a kind of particles aligned as a chain. Today we believe that, according to the current understanding, magnetic lines and electric field lines all are imaginary lines. But I sincerely believe that they are in fact real physical lines. There is a physical existence for these lines, and these lines are formed by a kind of particles. The light and magnetic phenomenon are interrelated. So the propagation speed of magnetic lines are similar to the speed of light. However, gravity also, I believe that gravity is a kind of attractive force, because Einstein explained gravity as a curvature of space-time by mass and energy. However, the experimental evidences for the curvature of space-time, one is the starlight bending and gravitational lensing and precession of the perihelion of Mercury's orbit. But all these phenomena, we can find a better alternative explanation with the help of the space filling matter. So, gravity in fact remains as an attractive force. Gravity is an attractive force, not the curvature of space-time. So, I believe that gravity also propagated through a kind of force lines, just like how a magnetic line or an electric field line propagates, like that is light, the vibrations in a magnetic field uh, uh, can explain what are radio waves. I explained in this how radios are produced in my channel. You can watch, you can search my channel, radios, how radios are produced. Then you will get but my explanation for what are radio waves. Radio waves and light are only in their differs in only their wavelengths or frequencies. So once you figure out what are radio waves, then you will can, of course, you can get an understanding about what may be light also. So the the propagation speed of magnetic lines are the same speed of light. However, I think about the possibility that gravity travels, perhaps gravity, the speed of gravity is much faster than the speed of light. Now today, since the detection of gravitational wave, now scientific community started to believe that the speed of gravity is the same the speed of light. However, I have a different explanation for means I think that the detected ripples in space by Virgo and LIGO collaboration is not gravitational wave. It is another kind of disturbances in space created by mass defects. Mass defects can create probably some kind of collisions between stars, or all type of collisions between stars can create not only light and mass effect. At the same time, it can also create a kind of disturbances in space which is different than light itself. So that signal also may travel at the speed of light, but it is not light, it is not gravitational wave either. So that means the detection of gravitational wave, that inverted comma, that signal does not prove that the speed of gravity is the same the speed of light. I believe that the speed of gravity may be faster than, probably many times faster than the speed of light. Quantum entanglement, another phenomenon, that very particles separated in vast distances, very vast distance, can communicate or transmit signals between them very faster than the speed of light. Quantum entanglement. These all can also explain with the existence of space filling particles. Probably, perhaps, these gravitational field lines and this even quantum entanglement, such a kind of phenomenon, are also transmitted through a type of particles, space filling particles. In fact, there are various type of space filling particles exist in the universe. Electric and magnetic phenomenon or fields are transmitted